Philips 70PUT7906 4K UHD LED Android TV. Vibrant pictures, smooth motion, magical light. 4K UHD HDR Android TV with 3-sided AMOLED TV, major HDR formats supported, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. 70 inches Android TV. Technical specifications are AMOLED features, game mode, lounge mode and wall color adaptive. AMOLED versions 3-sided. Pictures display. Aspect ratio 16:9. Display 4K Ultra HD LED TV. Panel resolution 3840 by 2160. Picture engine pixel precise Ultra HD. Picture enhancement Ultra resolution Dolby Vision HLG HDR10 Plus compatible. Video inputs on all HDMI up to 4K UHD 3840 by 2160. 60Hz refresh rate. HDR supported, HDR10, HLG supported and HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision. Smart apps, online video stores, YouTube and Netflix TV. Screen formats adjustment, advanced shift, basic fill screen, fit to screen, zoom, stretch and wide screen. Voice assistant, Google Assistant built-in. Video playback formats. Containers AVI MKV, H264 MPEG4 AVC, MPEG1, MPEG2 and MPEG4, VP9 and AV1. Sound enhancement 5-band equalizers, clear dialogue, Dolby Atmos, auto volume leveler and Dolby bass enhancement. Easy link, remote control, pass-through system, audio control, system standby and one-touch play. Other connections are digital audio out, Ethernet LAN, RJ45 and headphone out. Main power AC 220 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 Hz refresh rate. Ambient temperature 5 degree to 35 degrees centigrade. Power saving features are auto switch off timer, picture mute, eco mode and light sensor.